Hi everybody, my NewEgg order finally showed up, so I'm really excited. This is going to be part one of a series of videos detailing and showcasing my build. Hopefully throughout the series I'm going to try and explain my decision process and again hopefully give a little insight to everybody else or to others trying to do the same thing that I'm doing in building a new computer. Alright, first part is going to be an unboxing of my NewEgg order and a quick overview of what I got. So let's get started. Alright, so off camera I opened up these boxes. It's always easier to cut boxes open off camera and using two hands instead of trying to film that. So let's get in, let's see what we got. So this is the smaller of the two boxes. I've already taken out the packing slip because that's not really exciting. So that's a paper. I don't know what this is. It's a little heavy. Maybe this is my hard drive. We'll open that. Yes, I ordered Batman Arkham Asylum because even though it's not Arkham City, I figured what the heck, I'll get a game. I love Batman, so for 19 bucks or whatever it was, it'd be pretty cool to play. Aha, cool. This is the Hyper 212 Evo CPU Cooler. The Hyper 212 Plus, I guess this is the next revision. Got pretty decent reviews. It's pretty price competitive, I guess, so that's cool. This is an LG. It's tough to see. Actually, you really probably can't see that, but this is an LG Blu-ray burner. This is awesome. It's a SATA 3 Corsair Force 120 gig solid state drive. This is going to be my boot drive, so my operating system is going to be on here and programs, but mainly operating system. This is awesome. Zigmatech 75-in-1 card reader. I don't know where you get 75 for one, but this is card reader. I do a lot of transferring from cameras and actually from my camcorder as well when I transfer videos over. So I have a SD card reader on my laptop, and I thought I'd want to have the same kind of thing on my new build. So that's what this is. The heart of my build. So I'm going to be building a Core i5 2500K computer. This is the unlock processor, and here we go. Whoops. 3.3 gigahertz, LGA 1155 socket. Really cool stuff. I opted to go with this over the i7 because at the time that I placed the order for this last week, this happened to be over $115 difference between this and the i7. So awesome. That's why I got that. It's a lot heavier than I thought it would be. Alright, it's the first box. Let's get to the next one. So I was right. The box that I showed you before actually is my hard drive, or my second hard drive. So this is a 1 terabyte Western Digital black drive. It's a SATA 3, 64 meg cache, 7200 RPM, I believe. So this is going to house all my data, music, video, everything else. Cool. Okay, here's the second box. That's cool. Smile, it's here. I'm very, very happy. I am smiling. Okay. Aha, the rest of my stuff. Alright, so this is a Logitech G510 backlit keyboard. I got this instead of, well, I guess I'm a big Logitech fan. I've tried out some of the Razer products, but I just happen to like Logitech. I think that's sort of a personal decision. This, I think, is going to work out well for me. As I put that on the floor. Alright, so this is Sigmatech 120mm case fan. I got 3 of these, and these are white LEDs. The case that I got, which is right over there, the Corsair 600T, has some fans in it. Actually has a couple of 200mm fans. I had done some research, and there's a top 200mm fan that may or may not get in the way while I try and put in my CPU cooler. So if that happens, I'll replace that with 220mm fans, and then I get a third one to replace an all black fan that's in the back of the case. Awesome. Alright, these are G-Skill Ripjaws. I got 16, whoops, I'll put that in frame. I got 16 gigs of DDR3 1866 memory. Can you see that? No, that's not focusing. There you go. These look pretty awesome. Motherboard, another important part. This is really heavy, holy cow. This is the Asus P8z 68V Pro board. I was actually looking at this board and a comparable board from Gigabyte, and I picked the Asus board. I've built a couple, well, I've dealt with a couple of computers before and built one using Asus products, and my home server's got an Asus board and I haven't had a problem with that. So I think from all the reviews that I've read and everything else, this is actually a really good board. Holy cow, that's really heavy. Okay, put that aside. Video card. It's a little bit of a glare. This is an MSI Radeon 6870 Twin Frozer 2. 1 gig of memory. So, not top of the line. It's not a 6990 or a 6970. For the price, I think this is a good good choice. I'm not a super gamer by any stretch, but I do enjoy playing some games. So I think this is going to work out really nice. This is also really heavy too. Wow. Put this down. Coupon for Dirt 3. I think this was a deal with the video card. I won't show you my key there, but that's what that is. And last but not least, wow, this is really heavy too, holy cow. I'm not a weakling by any stretch, but these boxes are a lot heavier than I thought. This is a Corsair HX850 power supply. So this is modular, or sort of modular power supply. See the outside of the box. Wow. The back. And this is what's going to be powering my computer. Cool. One thing you may notice is I did not order a mouse because I have one that I really like. I have a Logitech wireless mouse that I'm very, very happy with, and that's actually not even a year old, and I really love that mouse, so I didn't need to buy one. But other than that, that's everything. I'm really starting from scratch for this build, and I needed to get everything. So let me set everything out on the table, and we'll do a relatively quick overview.